Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a very delicious Tres Leches cake. So in case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious dessert, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by baking our cake. So you can use either one strawberry cake mix. So we're going to grab it. Of course, grab all of the ingredients that you need to make the cake. Instead of water, we're going to be adding milk. Of course, the 3 eggs and the vegetable oil. And on medium speed, we're going to be mixing for 2 minutes. And at this point, don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Okay, so after 2 minutes, we have our cake batter. So now we're going to transfer it to our grease baking dish. Make sure you grab everything. Okay, so now we're going to bake following the time on our cake box. Alright guys, and once our cake is done baking, we're going to allow it to cool down. Alright guys, so while we wait for our cake to cool down, we're going to make our tres leches mix. So we're going to begin by mixing 3/4 of a cup of milk. Or you can use media crema or heavy cream. And then 6 ounces of condensed milk. So almost the can. Of course, if you like it more sweeter, then just add the whole can. 12 ounces of evaporated milk. And 3/4 of a cup of strawberry pie filling. Okay, so we're just going to mix it. And kind of smash down the strawberries. And once done, just set it to the side. Alrighty guys, so once our cake has cooled down, we're going to grab our fork and begin to poke it. Alright, so as we poke our cake, now we're going to add our tres leches mixture. I'm going to be adding about 3 cups, but of course, if you want it to be more wet, then just add the whole 4 cups. Make sure that you move the cake to the side and allow the mixture to go in there. Okay, so once we added our milk mixture, now we're going to allow it to sit in a refrigerator overnight or for at least 4 hours. Just so like that it has enough time for the cake to absorb all of the milk. Alright guys, so here I have my cake that has been sitting overnight. So now we can get ready to make our whipped topping and decorate our cake. To make our whipped topping, we're going to be mixing 3 cups of heavy cream. A 1/4 cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, so now we're just going to be beating until it's nice and stiff. And if you want to add more strawberries, you can add some of the pie filling to the heavy cream. But for me, this is just the perfect balance. Okay, so after 10 minutes, we should have our whipped topping ready. So now we are ready to top our cake. Okay, so grab it and begin to smooth it out. So it can be nice and even. Alright, so once we have that, now we are ready to decorate our cake. I'm going to be grabbing some fresh strawberries and I just dip them into the strawberry filling just so they can have that pretty nice glaze. And just begin to top it. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we have our delicious strawberry tres leches cake. Okay, so grab a slice and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now I am so ready guys. Let me tell you that this cake is seriously the easiest cake you can ever make, and the best part is that it is very delicious. So I am so ready. This is the perfect way to end this year, or you know, even for Valentine's Day, it's perfect. Everyone will enjoy it, so I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. And like I said, you know, this is like, it's not too sweet. It's just perfect. You can taste the strawberries. And then the topping, it just balances it all out. It's perfect. It's so moist. It's not too wet. But of course, you know, if you like your cake more wet, then you can add the full 4 cups of the milk. And if you don't like it that wet, just add half of it. But for me, this is perfect. Alright guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious strawberry tres leches cake. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.